I'm on my way to buy another Royal Enfield motorcycle. I'm gonna keep crazy for getting this one. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Good afternoon, guys. It's Andy from MCC Just Motos. I am on my way to buy another Royal Enfield motorcycle. I'm gonna be crazy for getting this one. This one, it's a great deal, don't get me wrong, but it's something that I've been very hesitant on. See, I've had a lot of Royal Enfield bullets, carbureted, and I've even had fuel injected bullets. There is a difference in years between the fuel injected iron barrels and the aluminum cylinder UCE, they call them, engines. They had a transition, a few model years for a transition, and I am buying one of those transition years. It's not necessarily a bad motorcycle. It's just, it has some good parts, some bad parts to it. I'm buying a 2008 Royal Enfield Bullet Electra. It has electric start. It has a UCE motor, but it's carbureted, so it's not fuel injected. It's not an iron barrel, and it's carbureted. Gets different. It's a whole different engine. Supposedly gets better. It's a lean burn engine. Hopefully gets better miles per gallon than the standard iron barrels, but that's okay. It's a 5-speed disc brakes, which is good. But the main issue on these bikes is that because they're a weird transition years, there's not a lot of parts for them. The body panels are different, the side panels are different. There's all sorts of different frame differences, engine differences. So I'm kind of hesitant about it, but I'm getting it at such a good price, or a good enough price. Supposedly it runs. Sometimes the electric starter works, sometimes it doesn't. Those are pretty common. Parts are kind of hard to find and expensive. So on the way we go to go get this motorcycle, I'm in my brand new Ford Maverick. It's a hybrid. I've never towed a motorcycle inside of the cab or the bed, which I'm going to do. I've towed with a trailer, but I'm gonna try towing or hauling a motorcycle in the bed, and it's this Royal Enfield Bullet Electra. Let's go do it. Fingers crossed. All right, so Joe, how long have you had this guy?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. And you just kind of had it hanging around the sawmill here, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
You do a lot of woodworking?
I do.
Very cool.
I have CNC coming tomorrow, so I need to...
Oh, get it out and get some stuff.
Space.
Okay. All right, so there's that. A little dirty, pretty dirty.
Yeah.
And where did you get it from again?
Relative.
Okay, good deal. Have you ridden it around at all?
2,400 or 1,400 miles.
Okay, 1,400 miles. Cool. Has the disc brakes up front. The tires seem pretty good.
Tires are, well, they got like 1,200 miles on them.
Okay. And I'm guessing you haven't changed the oil or anything since you had it, or you did when you first got.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, I've changed the oil in the engine, and I've changed the
Primary.
oil in the primary.
okay.
But yeah.
Okay. This is definitely, it's that transition year where it had they have a aluminum
Yeah.
motor but carbureted.
No, it's cast.
I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. The UCE motor.
I think it's probably
The 2007s had the iron barrels, and this one is, I'm pretty sure, the aluminum, but it's still carbureted. So yeah, it's a transition year, and the new side panels, and I've never had one of these ones. I've had a lot of old bolts, and I've had the fuel injected ones, but I've never had a UCE transition year model. It's a different motor, made in Australia.
Really?
Yeah, or Australian company, 5-speed. Very cool. You want to see if you can start it up for me? Is that cool?
So here's what the starter does.
Let's take a look-see.
It's gonna do what the rest of them do.
Yep.
I tried tinkering with it, messing with it, and then
Not much.
do that.
Okay.
it'll just spin free.
Can you kick it and see so I can see the procedure? Very nice. Okay. Yeah, good. Is that the choke? Okay.
I think it's running. It should have never started without the choke to begin with.
Yeah.
I think it's running just a hair rip.
Okay.
It's not. You're not gonna notice riding it, but
Yeah.
if you're really like crazy about that.
So that's definitely cold.
Yeah.
So you really didn't start it today, did you? Or did you just
No.
okay. Okay, cool. Well, I'll tell you what. Let me. Yeah, we'll definitely do it. I'll give you cash in hand. You mind if I just ride it around a little bit? You're welcome. Okay, cool.
Unless you're really like wrong in the station.
How old's the gas?
The gas is from last year, but it has a stabilizer.
Okay.
That
Yeah. Oh, nice. It has disc brakes. I like that. Go. Fire. Where does this road go? Is it up and down? Even in neutral.
What's that? Yeah, even in neutral.
That's supposed to be able to start in neutral with the kickstand down. Will it even turn over?
No, nothing. That's like that.
That's weird. Yeah.
I will say, and you gotta take it for face value.
Oh yeah.
But I will say when it warms up,
It starts a little.
I never used to kick it.
Okay.
But
Well, you saw
it
what I
doesn't
was
matter
able.
if you do, because
Yeah.
it takes a half a kick.
Okay. All right, cool. And you got some parts. Looks like gonna
Not
guess
much.
oil filters, right?
Oil
Yeah.
filters.
Yeah, spark. Okay, cool.
And
This will
then
be good.
I bought these, the keys that I'm about to give you.
Okay.
Ones that I bought and didn't realize I had that already. So these work the side panels to get to the battery
Okay.
and everything.
Okay.
Because they originally broke.
Okay. Cool. Well, sounds good. All right. Well, the inaugural. We missed the good part of actually getting it up in the truck. One more if I could. Thank you. The other, yeah. Looks like it fits. Like this goes good. But yeah, easy. Now, what I'll do is keep it straight here. All right, if you don't mind, start ratcheting that. Oh, wait, hang on. All right. All right, there is the bullet in Electra in the Maverick. Look at that. A little twisted, but we'll get it. It should be fine. Cool, it ain't going anywhere. The Bullet Electra's in the back of the pickup truck. You can take a look. You can see it fitting there pretty good. It loaded up actually really easy, and I'm really happy with this pickup truck because it's so low to the ground. We were able to get it in very easily. I'm a little bit nervous about the Electra because, again, some of the side panels are unique, some of the things are unique, but it started right up, super cold, and didn't even need a bunch of choke, but put some choke on and it started right up, super cold start. So pretty happy about that. It rode really well. It had disc brakes. I think they're dual disc. I got to check, but it was really nice brakes up front. Way different than any Bolt that I'm used to. So that's a good part. The chassis felt nice. It felt really easy to drive. The motor seemed really good. So I'm really happy about this. Joe's a really good guy. We talked. He knows I do YouTube channel, so I'm going to give him a link. Yeah, he's doing some woodwork and stuff and just getting it out of the way. So I'm really happy. Bolt Electra, first transition year for me. I can't wait to clean it up, see what it looks like. I'm going to take you on that journey with me, so please subscribe to my channel to see what the before and after will look like, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.